We know how challenging it can feel when starting to build your email list from scratch, especially while working to get your online business running at the same time. That's why we've created the GetResponse University List Building Program. The comprehensive program includes 90 lessons with information to help you get your online business running and your email list growing in 90 days or less. Each video lesson is packed with actionable tips and instructions and come with complimentary downloads to help you out further with checklists and examples to make sure that you never miss a step. You have enough on your plate. Let us help you get your business off the ground in a hurry and start growing your list by mastering crucial online marketing skills like creating and promoting lead magnets, leveraging your social media accounts, becoming a guest blogging professional, positioning yourself as a content expert in your field, hosting webinars and Facebook contests, how to make use of paid advertising, and so much more. At the end of the program, you'll have a certificate from our GetResponse University, proving your experience with list building and online marketing, and most importantly, you'll have a thriving email list, helping you take your business further. It's fast, it's free, and it's all for you. So join us today and become a list building master.